This a drone that I bought on Temu, and it came today. So I want to unbox it for everyone to see what I got. Yeah. So this is the battery, two batteries. It came with a box first battery. Okay. I think I have three batteries here from one box. Yeah, I think three batteries. And let's see this one too. Okay, I think this one also have two batteries. It has two batteries. I hope you can see it. Yeah, it has two batteries. Yeah. There's the battery that it came with. Yeah. So in all, I have five batteries, and this is the product itself, the drone itself. So I'm coming to open it first. Yeah. So it has this menu thing, and then this is the propeller that came with it. So I think there's the propeller. So I have there's a propeller that came with it. So I think I have four propeller in this rubber, and then also I have other one here. It's also four propeller, and yeah, this is black, and also we have another one. I don't know this one. This one is also propeller, but it has some other things inside. I don't know. I don't know what the use of this, but I think when we go through, you see what it's used for. Yeah, what it's used for, and then have screws. Okay, this is the drone. This drone is automatic. I think it's automatic. We don't use remote. We don't use remote for this drone. And yeah, so I think this is the drone. Yeah, the camera and everything. So it has this here, and yeah, so this is the drone. And so I'm coming to put one battery inside. Yeah, one battery inside. 455 miles, I think. Battery 14.84 volts. Yeah, so this is the battery. So I'm coming to put it in. So it has a strap here. How you hook the batteries. Put the battery here, and then you tie it. Yeah, I think so. And then it has this battery connector here. So you just plug it. Yeah, I think it's on. My phone is off, so you just connect to your phone, and then you on it, and then it will start going. So I'll connect it to my phone when it's fully charged. So I just wanted to show you the drone that I got from Temu. Yeah, so this is it. So I'll connect it and then on it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you. And the price of this drone is, I got it $49. Yeah, I think it's good. The price is good. $49 from Temu. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, the price of the drone. Yeah. So thank you for watching.